Creating a three-dimensional object in Fusion 360. Everything in Fusion 360 begins with a two-dimensional sketch. When you click on the Create Sketch, the three planes will be highlighted, front, top, and right, and you can select a plane on which you want to draw your sketch. I'm going to use the top plane. The Tools ribbon across the top here has now changed to reflect that we are in sketch mode. There are a number of options of different tools you can use to sketch, such as lines, curves, circles, and rectangles. We are going to draw a 2-point rectangle. This dot in the middle of the screen here is the origin, and it's always important that your drawing is referencing that origin in some way. You create your first corner on the origin. Click once, then move your mouse to the desired approximate dimensions, and then click your mouse once again to complete that rectangle. The next thing you will want to do is to add dimensions to your sketch. Using this Sketch Dimension tool, you can click and highlight a line which you want to add a dimension to. Click once to select the line, move your mouse to approximately place your dimension, and then click again to have that dimension placed. When you click the second time, you'll be able to change the value of the dimension. Here I'm creating a 50mm dimension. Another way that you can dimension is to dimension between two objects. I'll demonstrate this here. You click once on one line, click a second time on another line, then move your mouse approximately where you want to place your dimension, and then click your mouse again. Once again, you'll have the option to change the dimension. I'm going to change this to 50mm. When you are finished your sketch, you can either click the Finish Sketch tick up here, or you can click the Finish Sketch button on the sketch palette which appeared over here on the right. Clicking the tick to finish. Now you can extrude your sketch into a three-dimensional shape. You do that using this Extrude tool, which is the second tool on the right next to the sketch tool. You can click and drag this arrow to move your sketch up and down in 5mm increments. If you wish to make your sketch a different measurement, you can change the distance by clicking over here in the dialog box and typing a number. In this case, I'm going to extrude to 50mm. When you're finished and happy with your dimensions, you can click the OK button. And now you have created a cube in Fusion 360.